This is the Flite Test H-Quad. It was designed by Flite Test. It uses a KK2 board, DT750 motors, 25 amp plush Turnigy ESCs, a 2200 milliamp 3-cell battery, an AR610 Spectrum 2.4 GHz receiver, 1147 props, a Mobius for FPV and recording, and a 5.8 GHz 500 milliwatt video transmitter. The motors are zip tied onto the booms, so that in a crash, the zip ties will break and not the motor. As this is my first multi-rotor, I will probably be doing a lot of crashing, so I bought a lot of propellers. I have rebuilt the frame 2 or 3 times, and that didn't take much work. But the first time I had all the wires just spewed across the top. It was terrible. I didn't have a bottom plate, and as you can see, that's how I've done that. I set my voltage meter to 3.5 volts. This is my attempt to reduce vibrations, but I just haven't got... I think the vibrations are out of it, but it's just unstable with the Mobius on there, so it's very... I'm working on the vibrations, so ignore them for now. I also have a row of LEDs along the front for when I'm not flying FPV. I've balanced the props with tape and hot glue on the hub, as these propellers don't come very well balanced. My FPV setup is very simple. As you can see, all the wires coming from the video transmitter simply get soldered onto an old servo connector from a broken servo. The signal wire is connected to the yellow wire, which is the video signal. The red wire is connected to the positive, which takes 7 to 24 volts, and the brownish black wire is connected to ground. And I just take the ground and signal wire from the video from the Mobius out wire, and that goes into a Y lead, which you also connects your video transmitter to. And the input of the Y lead doesn't use a signal wire, it only inputs 12 volts. Make sure you don't plug this wire into your normal servo wires for the rest of the control of the plane, as this uses 12 volts, and if you plug it into the 5 volts of the rest of your craft, it will blow up and nothing good will happen. The attempt at making a vibration isolator is made with zip ties, and I've just got the Mobius mount velcroed to here so I can move it around my different craft. To hold my propellers on, I have got a nut, then the propeller. The nut is used to stop the shaft from being pulled up when you tighten it. The propeller, then a washer, then 2 nuts to lock it down. I will now show some flight footage of it and some music.